In this video, we will discuss about Down syndrome. Down syndrome is a type of genetic disorder. It's a type of genetic disorder, and it is the most commonly occurring chromosomal abnormality. For example, if an error occurs in replication, transcription, translation, such errors commonly produce a single gene disorder such as cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, Huntington diseases, so on. Likewise, similarly, if an error can occur in cell division, such errors produce a chromosomal abnormalities such as Down syndrome, Edwards syndrome, Pata syndrome, like that. These Down syndrome peoples have three copies of 21st chromosome. Instead of two copies. This condition we call it as trisomy 21. This Down syndrome is caused by an error occur in cell division. Now coming to causes, the three types of causes responsible for the occurrence of Down syndrome. One is non-disjunction of chromosomes. Second one is Robertsonian translocation, and third one is mosaicism. These three types of causes majorly responsible for the occurrence of Down syndrome. Non-disjunction. In most of the cases, about 95% of cases is caused by a non-disjunction. During the formation of ova or sperm cell, that is germ cells, this non-disjunction of chromosomes causes the occurrence of three copies. Results the occurrence of two copies of 21 chromosomes instead of one copy. So after the fertilization of sperm and ova, the resultant zygote will have three copies, 21st chromosome. So normally the resultant zygote will have two copies of 21st chromosome, but in this condition the newborn born with three copies of 21st chromosome, that is extra copy. This extra copy of 21st chromosome causes a loss of genetic balance. This non-disjunction of chromosomes is due to high maternal age and high advanced ages, that is parents and mothers. If they have advanced age, they have a high risk of non-disjunction. And the second one is Robertsonian translocation. In a rare cases, about 3.5% of cases, the Robertsonian translocation causes the occurrence of Down syndrome. Mosaicism. It is a very rare case. About 1.5% of cases. About 1.5% of cases, these mosaic caused Down syndrome patients have half cells of their body have 46 chromosomes. That is normal cells, and remaining half cells of the body will have 47 chromosomes. We have 47 number of chromosomes. Okay. This Down syndrome causes intellectual disabilities, low IQ levels, flat facial profile, strabismus, nystagmus, muscular hypotonia, and sandal gap, single palmar crease, like that. Okay, we just stop check.